Marcano Studios.
We will talk about some sound effects together. Let's go! Some sound effects are short, like Sky's peeing sound effect. Some sound effects are medium, like Satow's pooping and moaning sound effect. And some sound effects are longer than ever, which is Moonlight's 3-minute farting sound effect. Let's talk about sound effects.
And today's talking about sound effect is the peeing sound effect from Hazel. Hello guys, Noella here, and today we're going to talk about more peeing sound effects. This time, I'm going to talk about Hazel's peeing sound effect now. It's from a video called Sorry Jackie, Gacha Club, Pee/Fart/Diarrhea. It was uploaded on 2022, December 11th, which was 2 years ago. The duration of the sound effect is 129 to 149. The total seconds are 20. The lo-fi music will be removed at the beginning and end. Here's what it sounds like, I guess. See? That's what it sounds like. This sound effect is used for my OCs and characters when they pee in the toilet. Remember, kids, if you want to use that sound effect, use it in your videos. But be sure to give credit to Hazel before using her sound effect. Also, I will link this video right here, and it will be in the description. This sound effect starts at 129 and it ends on 149. Make sure you remove the lo-fi music at the beginning and end, okay? And I will see you later.